Hi guys, my name is Vito and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick to prepare dessert that can be eaten hot if you really can't wait, or cold. The main ingredient will be wheat semolina, and I bet to some of you this will bring back childhood memories. It will take us about 20 minutes to prepare this and it's super easy, so let's get started. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support us. Also check out my other dessert recipes and enjoy. See you next time. May the plants be with you. Cheers!